right, I'm going to show you how you can basically make killer exotic car and supercar designs, have AI do it for you, and then you can take these images and do whatever you want with them, like, sell them on t-shirts or whatever you want to do. So I'm going to show you this cool thing, and it's called Midjourney. So you start at Midjourney, and you see this crazy screen. Now, what you're going to need to do is you're going to join the beta or sign up, and you're going to need to join what's called a Discord group. It's fairly easy to do. It walks you through all the prompts. So you join a Discord group, and then you'll be able to get over here. Okay, once you've done everything, verified your email address. And realistically, once you're here, it looks like a big forum. So it is kind of confusing, but what you can do, and you can see some of the other images that people are making. I don't know if you could download theirs or not as well. If you see something super cool, I don't know why you couldn't. So let's scroll down and see there's a plus symbol right here. So I could click on the plus sign and I could hit slash command. And then what you want to do is you want to go to imagine, just like that. It has a prompt. So create BMW, I don't know, t-shirt designs. And then you hit that button and you'll see that it says it's setting image, and all of a sudden it like disappears, because what happens is the computer is rendering and popping up what everybody else is kind of writing. Now, if you look at two, you could read some of these people are writing a lot of stuff, like a ton. The more you get specific, the more it will probably do. So here's the BMW t-shirt designs, okay, which is pretty cool. All right. I like the Porsche ones better. Now it renders it better. Check this out. So it takes a second. Now look at them. Now these are pretty crazy. Pretty darn cool that you can do. And you could basically take these images, save them. So I could hit save image as, and then it's not letting me save it that way. So what I can actually do is just like a snipping tool and save them for now. So what I'll do is I'll use my snipping tool. And I'll just come in here to save them for now. Just like this. And then file, save as BMW. To my desktop there. And then I'll be able to cut each one out. And literally, if I want to remove backgrounds or whatever, so I could put it on a t-shirt. So let me show you how to do that real quick. All right, so what I wanted to do, I just cropped one of these here. And then I'm going to go to a site that I'll show you here in a second, which is removebg.com, remove background. So I'm going to click upload. I'm going to find where I have those pictures. Okay, so I put this in here, and then it basically removed the background for me. Okay, so now I have this cool picture. So let me hit download here. And let me show you how it looks on a t-shirt. So I'm going to use another software that I use a lot. This software is called Place It. Now, I can look up t-shirt designs. So designs, and then just go down to t-shirts here. Now, you could also upload this into like an Etsy store if you want, Printify, to sell t-shirts, whatnot. But actually, what I want to do is mock-ups, and I want to look at apparel mock-ups, okay? So let's say I've already uploaded this to Etsy or uploaded it to Printify. That's going to do all my selling for me, okay? And then this is pretty cool. I like this brick wall. And then I want to take a picture to put on my store to make the shirt look super cool, okay? So insert image here. See this on the left. And I'll put all these in the description. And then I'm going to grab that image right there. Whoop, that isn't the one I want. Hang on one second. We want to do the one with the no background. All right, here it is. And then you can actually make it bigger too. So I can like take this shirt and make it as big as I want. And also I want to move it towards the top because this image should be around his chest area. So I crop. And then you can see how it looks, just like this. Now, what you could also do is you could, of course, resize it. I want it to go up even higher a little bit. And that's as big as I want. Hit crop. And you can do that. And you can have this shirt. Now, I could take this shirt and I can literally, or take this whole picture and upload that to my Etsy store, or put it on Instagram or TikTok or whatever, and do that. Also, they do, let's say you wanted to do TikTok, that you could actually make a video for TikTok as well. Mock-ups, I say t-shirt mock-ups. And some of these will be videos, some of them won't be. But what's really cool about this site is they have some really edgy, I mean, they got some like nice images, but they have some like grungy images. So if we're doing like this grungy BMW shirt, with women and men, you can find like a cool looking person that you want in the picture. You know what I mean? Like some of these are like pretty basic looking people, but even like if you want like a good looking girl or something, you could do that as well. Some of these are videos, some aren't. I'm just trying to find like a more of a grungy type of look here, or something that just looks cool as we go through these images. And you can change the backgrounds too. So let's say this dude, not necessarily what I was looking for, but insert image, recently uploaded. Again, we're going to make it as big as possible. We're going to push it up, and we're going to hit crop. Now, what's also cool is in some of these you could change the shirt color. So if I want it, let's say on a black shirt or a gray shirt, we could do that. If I want to do that color, that pulls in some of the colors there, yellow, So literally, if your Shopify store offers different color options, you can literally show different color options. And what's also cool is like if you want to change the background here. So choose your own background. You can go with a no background, or you can start coming in here and looking at some of the cool things. Like the shirt has all these different colors in it. So some of these backgrounds, like it's pulled that orange, like that looks pretty cool. And then you could go upload it to your shirt design or whatever. But anyway, the whole point of this video wasn't really to show you how to make t-shirts. It was show you how to make cool designs using Midjourney and doing that. So let's do one more here. So again, you come down here and then you go to, I gotta take this away. Scroll down. Oh, there's a lot of designs since last time. And let me show you how crazy you could get with it. I don't know if this is going to work or not, but man, we go all the way down here. Oh, you got to join a room. Okay, so go here. You got to join one of these rooms. I forgot. Okay, so now I'm going to hit plus. We're going to hit use slash command, and you're going to go to imagine, and I want to say superhero next to Porsche. Okay, that might be crazy. Enter. The more words you use, let's see what happens here. But this could make you some money too, depending on what you want to do. I mean, you could either just put all these. There we go. It's starting to load, and we'll see how it looks. That's pretty cool. It'll get clearer here in a second. It renders, so you can see where it's at, 62%. So it'll take time to render. But like anything you type into this AI, oh, I thought I clicked on it. There we go. And I think you could do different versions too. But check that out. I said superhero next to Porsche, and they actually made some of the Porsches. I like this one right here. This one looks pretty dope. So you could turn that into a t-shirt or whatever, or just, make it a profile picture to social media, or just show people how cool this Midjourney is. So there you go. Make supercars with AI, design them, and see what happens. But it's pretty cool software, I got to admit. So have fun with it.